Self-Help TV features 10 ways to become a millionaire in your 20s. Why should you be wealthy? Money is a problem for a lot of people. No matter what you do with your internet business, if you have a deep-seated attitude that money is bad, if you think so, that's the one thing preventing you from having more of it. So, what is your financial relationship like? Money is merely an instrument that our forefathers opted to employ to trade value at some point in the past. People used to trade objects that had value to them, such as livestock, food, or whatever else they had that another person wanted or needed, instead of using actual money. But it's all about paper money these days. The underlying truth is that many of us have a fear of money because we've been taught, whether by our parents, schools, or society in general, that being affluent is bad. In numerous films, for example, the affluent man is frequently portrayed as a villain. And Robin Hood is portrayed as a heroic figure who steals from the affluent and distributes to the poor. The following are 3 reasons why you deserve to be wealthy. 1. You'll be able to assist more people. The more money you make, the more profit you create in your business, and the more profit you have, the more you can donate to the world. Now consider the folks you want to help. Isn't it true that you can't help them if you don't have any money? Money is required to make a difference in the world. That means you'll need to be a little bit richer. Being impoverished and broke is not beneficial to anyone, especially yourself. 2. It is the result of your own personal development. There are several reasons why you should be wealthy. In fact, people are advised to aim to become multimillionaires. But it isn't always due to a lack of funds. It's because of who you become as a result of the experience. This self-improvement can take many forms. Because only a few people are capable of doing what they do, top-level entrepreneurs, CEOs, thinkers, and innovators earn a lot of money. They add a distinct value to the market, which is why they are compensated accordingly. They can contribute that value because they went through a process of development, growth, and learning that allowed them to build the talents and assets that make them so valuable to society. 3. You have the ability to improve your life. The third reason to be wealthy is that money will allow you to better your quality of life. If you have children, they will be able to attend better schools and eat better food. You will be able to live where you choose and in a better home. You can also take advantage of small perks such as flying first class rather than coach. Never feel bad about the better things in your life. Never let others make you feel bad for having the things you desire and living the life you want. So, how can you become a millionaire in your 20s? Building money often comes down to establishing a few wise habits, and the sooner you do so, the greater your prospects of reaching 7 figures are. Here are 10 habits that have helped the wealthiest and most successful people achieve their goals and could help you achieve yours as well. Number 1. Make your money more automated. Chris Raining, a self-made billionaire, reached the $1 million mark at the age of 35 and retired at the age of 37. And he was able to do it because of one simple habit: automating his accounts. He claims that putting your financial plan on autopilot will save you time and mental energy. I automated my money years ago, and the benefit is that I don't have to make decisions about where my money should go, how much I should invest, what I can spend, do I have enough savings, and so on, he says. Number 2. Read. Reading has a strong correlation with greater education, income, and overall happiness, says Randall Bell, a socio-economist who has studied success for 25 years. Those who read 7 or more books per year have a greater chance of becoming millionaires than those who never read or just read 1 to 3 books. Bill Gates, the world's richest man, reads 50 books a year, and Warren Buffett spends up to 80% of his day reading. Number 3. Concentrate on making money. Grant Cardone, a self-made millionaire who was deeply in debt before hitting 7 figures, says, "You won't get rich without numerous streams of income." It all starts with the money you have now. Increase your income and then start incorporating different streams. Starting a side hustle, producing passive income, or taking on a high-paying side job are all examples of developing several streams of income. Number 4. Surround yourself with top achievers. Every day, the community in which you immerse yourself matters. According to Steve Siebold, self-made billionaire and author of How Rich People Think, It Might Damage Your Net Worth. In the vast majority of circumstances, your net worth reflects that of your closest friends. We become like the people we hang out with, which is why winners gravitate toward other winners. Number 5, consider the big picture. According to Keith Cameron Smith, author of The Top 10 Distinctions Between Millionaires and the Middle Class, millionaires are innovative. They spend a lot of time brainstorming fresh ideas. Millionaires own auto businesses and produce movies, while the general public talks about cars and movies. They recognize that ideas are the world's most precious asset, as Smith puts it. Number 6. Make an investment. The way to grow very rich is to invest money, adds Cardone. The main reason to save money is to be able to invest it in the future. In fact, the amount of money you save and invest may be more essential than the amount of money you earn. On average, millionaires spend 20% of their household income each year, writes personal finance expert Ramit Sethi in his book I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Their worth is determined not by how much money they earn each year, but by how much money they have saved and invested over time. Number 7. Schedule. Those who have both a calendar and a to-do list are 289% more likely to be millionaires than those who don't have a regular schedule, according to Bell. In addition, he discovered that successful people record insights. Billionaires who made it on their own. Bill Gates and Richard Branson both take copious notes. It doesn't matter how you keep track of your notes as long as you keep track of them, Branson explains. You have to capture inspiration when it comes. Number 8. Get up early in the morning. The wealthiest and most successful persons are more likely to begin their day earlier than the typical person. Author Thomas C. Corley discovered that nearly half of the 177 self-made billionaires he studied over a 5-year period woke up at least 3 hours before their workday began. It's a strategy for dealing with everyday interruptions, such as an overly long meeting, while still having enough time to complete what you set out to achieve that day. According to Corley's book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, getting up at 5 a.m. to tackle the top 3 tasks on your daily to-do list allows you to reclaim control of your life. It provides you the assurance that you do, in fact, have control over your life. Number 9, set financial goals that are particular to you. In his book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, self-made millionaire T. Harv Eker states, the number one reason most individuals don't obtain what they want is because they don't know what they want. You must have a defined aim, a detailed plan, and strict deadlines if you want to develop riches. Also, don't be scared to think big when making goals. The wealthy have extremely high expectations and are willing to take on any task. According to Siebold, no one would ever strike it rich and realize their goals if they didn't have big expectations. Number 10, get used to being uncomfortable. You must be willing to venture outside of your comfort zone if you want to earn more money or advance in life. This includes salary negotiations. It's one of the simplest strategies to increase your income potential, as people who ask for more are more likely to receive it. However, the majority of people do not even attempt it. Negotiating can be difficult, but not getting paid what you're worth could mean the difference between an average and a wealthy life. The number one element that will influence your future earning potential and get you to $1 million the fastest is how much money you are being paid today, says self-made billionaire Grant Sabatier. Are you ready to take action to be a millionaire? Which habits of a millionaire have you done? Which habits of a millionaire haven't you done? Write your comment below. Click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.